Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ariel Nicole. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a nighttime skincare routine. So I'm just going to be showing you the products that I'm going to be using for my nighttime skincare routine. So if you want to see the products that I use, then just keep on watching. Okay, first of all, don't mind my hair. I just took it out of the bun for the intro, but putting it back up. Okay, here is my face. So for cleanser, I usually switch off between a couple. So today I didn't wear makeup and I just worked out, so I just need to clean my face from the day. I don't need like any deep cleansers, but I'm just going to show you the three that I use in rotation. So the first one is the Summer Fridays Super Amino Gel Cleanser. This one's really nice, really light, and I really like this one. I use these on days where I don't wear makeup, so this one's a really good one. Then another one that I use is the Kors, I think it's Kors or Kors, I don't know, I'm sorry, can't pronounce that one. But this is the Greek Yogurt Foamy Cream Cleanser. This one is a little bit heavier than this one, but again, also like on the lighter side. So this one's really nice as well. And then I've been trying this one out. This one is the Drunk Elephant Jelly Cleanser. Obviously Drunk Elephant, like I said. This one has been also really nice, but I feel like this one works better when I wear a full face of makeup and I removed it with a makeup remover and then I go in with this. So for today, the one I'm going to be going with is the Summer Fridays one. So I'm going to go in with this, wash my face, and I'll be right back. Okay, so just cleansed my face. It feels amazing. Then I'm gonna go in with one of my favorite toners. This is the Kylie Skin Toner. I think this is the vanilla milk one. Yes, it's amazing. So this guy, I absolutely love the way it smells and like the consistency of the toner. And I feel like it actually does a really good job. So I just put around that much on a little cotton round, and then I just run this all over my face. So it's just nice to go in with the toner after a cleanser, just to make sure you got everything off of your face. Next, I'm gonna go in with moisturizer. So the moisturizer I'm going to be using is the Kiehl's Ultra Face Cream Moisturizer. This stuff is so nice. I love it. It's like a nice thick consistency, but it's not overly thick. So I apply this both day and night. So really been loving this guy. And then I'm also going to be applying the Drunk Elephant Virgin Marula Oil. This stuff is amazing. I absolutely love it. It's a little bit on the pricier side, but guys, like, it's so good. Like, you won't regret buying it. It's like really great. So I'm just massaging everything into my face. Okay, so I've been thinking about going in and purchasing a Jade Roller. So I've read so many good things about it. So if you have a Jade Roller, let me know in the comments below, and if it's worth it. And if you do, I would totally just go in right now. But I have like my serums and my moisturizer like on my skin and just do a nice roller on your face. So I do have an ice roller and I use it in the morning. It's really good, but I don't have one for night. So I think the Jade Roller would be really nice. So thinking I might buy that. Okay, and then lastly, I'm gonna go in with the Linage Sleeping Mask. favorite lip masks. It's so thick and literally feels amazing on your lips. And also it smells so good. I know they have like a couple of different scents. I have the, which one is this one? It's like the raspberry one or the strawberry, but it's the pink one. They have like the vanilla one too and like the blue one. But the pink berry raspberry is like my favorite. So yeah, that is it for my nighttime skincare routine. If you guys liked it, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you all in my next video.